Hey guys. So, if you see my last video, you saw that I was starting to make an Appa figurine. What's the difference between figure and figurine? Anyway, today I'm gonna finish it. So, let's go. How absolutely amazing! This is definitely one of my best makes so far. I'm just so in love with this, it's brilliant. How cool though! My little Appa! It's amazing. I love this so much. This is by far one of my best creations, I think. If you want to follow me on any social medias, all the links to that are down below. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.